NCH Software is a leader in business audio technology. Since 1993 has released more than 80 easy-to-use software applications for Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. Each software program is designed to fulfill a specific need, and many programs are considered leaders in their markets and have been awarded for excellence. Software categories include applications for audio, video, business dictation, and other software utilities. By offering such a wide breadth of software applications at affordable prices, NCH Software is where users turn for reliable software applications for any need. NCH Software continues to develop new programs while maintaining focus on developing easy-to-use simple software solutions.
Today we are going to crack some of these softwares with a keygen provided by Mr. Radix 11RCE. Visit my blog diywithanu.blogspot.com to download the keygen. If you can afford it, please buy it. Support the developer to make a better product. Select the target product and disconnect from internet if required. Some old products will perform an online validation of the license info at the time of registration. The keygen will warn you about which products do this every time you pick one. To avoid this, just disconnect from internet before register. On these products, the validation is performed only the first time you register the program. For products releases from 2018 and later, you will need a permanent block with a hosts file patch or firewall rule. Click Patch Hosts to block license validation product releases from 2018 and later. In case you don't want to patch your hosts file, use a firewall to block any outgoing connection to secure.nch.com.au. Some products will require extra information, name/username and location/user email. You must complete these fields before generate an ID key. The rest of the products doesn't require any user information, but you can specify, optional, a licensed username, that will be shown in the About dialog box and in the title bar of each product. Enter the desired name and click Save to write the name to the
Although Dream Plan hasn't been around as long as Punch Design Software or Home Designer, it has made a name for itself in the home design industry because it is a solid program. It is extremely easy to use and has helpful design tools that make it a good choice for novices. Many programs require you to edit in 2D view and then convert the design to 3D, but this program lets you draw walls and add objects in the 3D view. Also, this is the only program we reviewed with grid lines in the 3D view, which make it easy to tell if the wall or room you're adding is the right size and fits with your space. One of the program's limitations is it doesn't let you grab your plan and drag it to the best viewing position on the screen. Instead, you have to expand the image using the zoom tool in the bottom corner of the screen. This takes getting used to, though it isn't difficult. The bigger problem is the program has only one sample house plan. However, you can import floor plans and trace your own. This home remodel software has tools to help you make your own plans, including a roof wizard. Once you decide where you want to draw the roof, the tool automatically connects the corners based on the endpoints you provide. This tool is much easier to use than those in other programs, which typically create the roof for you and have you make edits. With Dream Plan, once you have the roof in place, you can click on it and change the pitch or add things like crossed gables or eaves. The only reason the roof tool didn't receive a perfect score is you have to draw a separate section of roof when the house isn't symmetrical. Dream Plan's object and plant libraries also fall short. We counted just 65 objects and 6 plants. The electrical and plumbing fixtures are limited to track lighting and antique, footed bathtubs. Further, the program doesn't allow you to import objects from third-party sites. Fortunately, Dream Plan has expansion packages you can download for free.
See your dream home plan realized in minutes with this free home and landscape design software for Windows. Visualize your dream in 3D. Create floor plans in minutes for a home or apartment. Design kitchens and bathrooms with style. Create multiple stories and add furniture, appliances, fixtures, and other decorating options. Customize paint and textures. Build the landscape or garden that you've always wanted. Build up or lower your yard's terrain for added character or curb appeal. Add a patio, porch swing, grill, and more. Home and landscape design and planning features. Design the exterior and interior for a home or apartment. Plant different types of trees and plants. Design floor plans with furniture, appliances, fixtures, and other decorations. Plan multiple stories, build walls, and design the slope and style of your roof. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I will try to bring more and more helpful videos for you. Kindly subscribe my channel Do It Yourselves with Anup Raj KR. Thanks for your valuable time. Bye.